Student loans play a huge part when buying a home or getting an investment property. Now in this video, I'll be breaking down some potential upcoming news about the student loan cancellation program and also give you some shocking facts about the student loan issue in general coming up. What's up everybody, this is your boy Jacques. If you're new to this channel, I'm a licensed realtor and mortgage loan originator in the state of Florida. Now my goal on this channel is to help you gain wealth through real estate and also help tackle those questions that you might have. So let's get started. One of the American dreams here in America is to own land and own property. Now what they normally tell you is to work hard, go to school, and once you get out of school, you're gonna own property. They just make it sound so easy, right? But not so fast. What they don't tell you is most people that come out of school come out with $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 in debt. It's harder for them to get a job in their field. When it's time for them to buy a home and their debt to income ratio is being calculated, a lot of issues start to arise.
Now on the screen, you're going to see a paragraph from one of the links that I found. Now here it shows that Biden wants $10,000 of the student loans forgiven, with two other people, and their names are on the screen, wants $50,000 of the student loan canceled. Now the differences don't end there as well. Biden also wants Congress to pass legislation for student loan cancellation, while the Democrats want Biden to cancel $50,000 of the student loans through an executive order.
Now what does that mean in plain English? It means that Joe Biden, and there's no guarantee as of right now, is thinking about canceling at least $10,000 of your student loans, so that way it'll help you get one step closer to that American dream. Now of course, I would love to see if they can cancel at least the $50,000 in total, because that'll help out a lot more people than the $10,000, but I'll still be happy with the $10,000, and I'm sure you would too. Now with everything that's given to you almost for free, for the most part, there's going to be some restrictions or some type of limitations to each program. Now for this one, I did read that there might be some type of income limitation where you would be capped at about
$125,000.
And if you make more than that, you may or might not qualify for the loan cancellation program. So the maximum amount that you could make to qualify for this forgiveness program potentially is $125,000. Plus there would be single and marriage restrictions as well. Now this potential student loan cancellation program is going to be for college debt only. It's not going to count for credit card or any other types of debt. Right now, they're currently focusing on people that have $10,000 or possibly $50,000 in student loan debt. Also, President Biden has a plan to improve certain income-based programs, such as the income-based repayment program, which is the IBR program, the pay-as-you-earn program, which is the PAYE program, the revised pay-as-you-earn, which is the PAYE program, and the income contingent repayment program, which is also called the ICR program. Now with these income repayment programs, your monthly payment for your student loans can be low as $0. It's also based off your income, your household size, and also where you stay. Now I'm going to give you guys some crazy stats. Now 1 out of 5 adults, ranges from 30 to 44, have student loan debt. Now looking at the stats from last year, the student loan debt has accumulated to $1.57 trillion. That's $1.5 trillion of student loan debt here in the United States. Now that equates to $37,584,000 approximate per borrower. Wow. Now of course, how would this help you? Basically, when buying a home, when you have student loans, even if it's in forbearance or not, 1% of your student loan amount is calculated into your DTI. So basically to calculate that, whatever your student loan amount is, just calculate that by 1%, and that's the amount the underwriters will be adding to your debt to income ratio to see if you can qualify for a bigger home when you get pre-approved. And also to reiterate, if you are on a forbearance program and you're not paying anything at all, we still would have to calculate 1% of your student loans. Only because eventually, once you do get the house, you will also get a student loan payment that you'll have to pay. Now, as a lender, and based off the guidelines out there right now, we have to make sure that you're under a certain percentage, and that way you're not living paycheck to paycheck trying to pay off your mortgage payment and your student loans at the same time. So the rules are in place to make sure that another crash or bubble doesn't happen again. So just want to let you know, you're not going to circumvent the rules by hiding your student loans in a forbearance program. So just go ahead and calculate that into 1%. or go ahead and add yourself into an IBR program, like an income-based repayment program, and sometimes that can help your situation as well. Now, me personally, I would love to see if this $10,000 or $50,000 cancellation or forgiveness program works out, because this would actually open up a lot of doors for a lot of people to purchase a home. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a deal fall apart because someone worked hard to go to school, get out of school, and get a job, and they had student loans that hindered them from buying their next property. To me, this will be a blessing. Now again, guys, nothing is set in stone and things are changing daily. So with that said, if anything else comes out, I'll make sure I make another video and keep you guys informed. I just want to know, do you think that the student loan cancellation or forgiveness program will or will not help the economy and help other people earn their home ownership goals? I would love to know in the comment section below. And one last thing, guys, please, if you can, make sure your student loans are up to date. I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone just let the student loans go and they're getting all these late fees on their credit report. Just give them a call. Usually there's some type of program, and some of the programs that I mentioned earlier can actually help your situation. There's different programs for each individual person, so one of them might actually fit your needs. So again, don't let them go. Don't accumulate those late fees on your credit report. Just give them a call, let them know the situation, and especially now during this pandemic, this is a perfect time to get that student loan pushed back, save some money, and get back on the right track. Now, I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, share it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure that notification bell is on, so when I post my videos, you are notified and you're one of the first ones to watch it. And as always, guys, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.
Don't you know?